First, go to the address bar at the top and type About, Config, then press Enter. You'll see a warning page. Click Accept the risk and continue to proceed. Once you're on the configuration page, use the search bar at the top and type per server. You should see a setting that shows a value of 6. Click the edit icon next to it. We're going to increase the number of parallel downloads by changing that value from 6 to 10. After that, click the check mark to save your changes. Now try downloading something again to see if your speed improves. If you experience any issues, you can always revert the value back to the default 6. For additional ways to boost your download speed, try using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a faster, more stable connection. You can also power cycle your network by unplugging your modem and router for about 30 to 60 seconds, then plugging them back in and waiting for them to fully restart. Once your connection is back up, try downloading again to check for improvements. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.